NZ teen dies copying viral rugby tackle challenge. What is collision sport? RUNIT straight. Ryan Satterthwaite, a 19-year-old from New Zealand, died after imitating a new rugby-inspired tackling game trending on social media, RUNIT or RUNIT straight, in which competitors run at each other and collide head-on to knock the other person down while wearing no protective equipment. Police confirmed Satterthwaite suffered a head injury on Sunday while playing a backyard game with friends in the North Island city of Palmerston North. He died on Monday as a result of his injuries. RUNIT is based loosely on the contact elements of rugby union, rugby league, or the NFL and involves two competitors, a runner and a tackler, running at each other and colliding head-on on a 20-meter by 4-meter 65-foot by 13-foot area known as a battlefield. Nana post shared by RUNIT Championship League. RUNIT.O organizers have promoted the event as the world's fiercest new collision sport. The game has grown in social media popularity through the Australian RUNIT Championship League, which offers cash prizes to competitors. A post shared by RUNIT Championship League. RUNIT.A and 2 trial events in Auckland in recent weeks saw 8 men compete for $20,000 New Zealand dollars, $12,000 in front of more than 1,000 spectators. Winners were expected to go into a championship event next month with prize money of up to $250,000 New Zealand dollars USD 150,000.2 Other events in Auckland were cancelled when organizers were unable to obtain permits. NAN and the RUNIT Championship League released a statement to the New Zealand news website Stuff on Tuesday, saying it does not encourage any copying of the sport as it should only be done under the strict conditions. This is tragic news and our hearts go out to the family and friends of Ryan. Any contact sport like boxing, martial arts, or combat-style activities should only be held in highly controlled environments which include professional medical supervision and support. NAN and RUNIT has been strongly condemned by experts in head injuries who say competitors run a high risk of a serious brain injury. Area Police Commander Inspector Ross Grantham described Satterthwaite's death as a huge tragedy and urged others to consider the significant safety and injury risks of the game, which is known as RUNIT or RUNIT straight. A young man lost his life as a result of participating in what I understand to be a social media frenzy, Grantham said. While this is not a criminal matter, police will continue to undertake inquiries on behalf of the coroner, Grantham said. Swipe left for next video. Grantham said, the tackle game played by the group of friends was based on a social media-driven trend where participants compete in full contact collisions without protective gear. While this was an impromptu game among friends, not a planned event, this tragic outcome does highlight the inherent safety concerns with such an activity. With AP Input's latest blogs.